going, you guys? Great day here at Forged Rage. It is Monday morning, about 11:30 now, and well, you always gotta love it when car parts show up early. I mean, these weren't supposed to be scheduled till Thursday or Friday, so, and it is Monday, so it was good to wake up and have the postman at my door. So, alright, so I started already unboxing this a little bit, and this is my XRT clutch kit for the car. Got a little blue window behind me that you guys can't see right now. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and open it up, show you guys how it looks like, and we'll go from there. Here we got is just a nice little clutch disc. I mean, it's just a little upgrade from the factory, so it's nothing too much. I ended up having to get a whole brand new flywheel. That's the reason why I went with a whole clutch kit, and then go a little cheaper route, and then later on down the road I'll buy a higher torque capacity clutch kit. This is the clutch and the pressure plate. Comes with the new flywheel bolts, as you guys can tell. Got the Chromoly 14.5 pound flywheel, brand new, pretty. Would take it out, but I don't got my gloves on quite yet, so there's that. Alright, and well, I don't know if you guys can tell, but there's a few holes in this box. And I'm pretty sure the reason to that is, well, because of the flywheel. People can't package worth shit sometimes. Let's go ahead and attempt to remove this box. Alright. Also, I just showed you everything else. You guys probably know what this is, which would be a brand new pressure plate. And there's the instructions, which we don't need because I've done this too many damn times. Got your clutch alignment tool. Brand new throwout bearing. See how it is. Yep. It's just like the last one I just took you out of it. So. Alright, and then the brand new pressure plate. Honestly, it's a little bit beat up, scratched up. Need a good cleaning. So, but it looks alright. There's that one. I'm gonna go ahead and quickly pull all this stuff back so we can actually get started on the next one. That sounds like a blast to me. Started on the next parts. Box the right. Hey. I'm just a little weakling, it's alright. Oh, it's a new clutch plate. Alright. Next. Honestly, I'm not sure, but I feel like it may just be my new motor mounts. Let's go ahead and find out, shall we? Yep, brand new motor mount. Looking pretty to me. One. them too. They don't say what side they go on. I guess it might be universal, I guess. So, well, there's the new motor mount. Next one. Box and paper. Or priority paper, whatever. So, some of these could be tools, so I'm pretty sure this is one of my tools. For Audis, you need special tools. Alright. Oh, just review, 5-star review, read that. Alright. I don't know if you guys can read that, but the 10-piece triple square split bit sockets. So they're the triple square socket bits. Let's go ahead and open this up for you guys. Alright, give you a good look at it. Alright. Well, this is how it looks. This is not the one I ordered. But it's close. But it's not what I ordered. I ordered the long set, but these are the short set. So I have to get on there and possibly return these or do whatever. So, hey, they're good to have either way, but I'd like to have the long ones. Alright, next. Little small one. Alright, what do we got here? Alright, this is one I've been waiting for a bit. Last time I ordered this, they gave me the wrong one. This is the 10mm VW and the Audi 340/52 M10, which is the head bolt tool. So I've been waiting a bit for this off and on. Last time they sent me the wrong one. That sent me the 12 spline instead of the 6 spline. Next, another little package. And this is all it came with. 10% off on my next order. Cool. So all it is the secondary air system delete. That's all it is. It's just a tiny plate that goes over on the head. That's plus little nice thing to have. Last and not least that we have today is from D&J Engineering Components. So let's go ahead and this is my new head gasket and all that fun stuff. So my brand new head bolts, head gasket. Yes, it is. Okay, there's all my gaskets. And look, it even came with some ultra gray and empty box. All the brand new head bolts. All the brand new gaskets. Comes with the stock turbo gaskets as well, but I am not using those. So, here it is, valve cover gasket, the intake gasket, exhaust gasket, a whole bunch of new O-rings, a whole bunch of new seals. So yeah, it looks like a pretty fair price for what I paid, which was not very much. I believe I only paid like 50 something bucks for this. And it's the MLS head gasket as well that's in here. So I hope it does good. This is the last one I put on the car, so it went good for me. And well, that'll wrap it up for the unboxing video. So stay tuned to the project. Alright, so all we're doing is getting the old freaking flywheel off. Special Good Tools, good to go. Alright guys, progress. The head is removed.
Yay.
Thank God.
Yeah, I'm just glad you didn't throw your coat on the
Yeah.
little...
So the head's off. There it is. Picked up a new table. Head, finally. Got to clean up a little bit of
Progress is good.
metal shavings. But, hey bud, where's that head bolt that we took out?
Which one? Oh, strip one?
Yeah.
It's over here.
Let's see it.
That one right there.
I don't know if you guys can tell,
I know because I put the three that are good over here.
but it's completely stripped out. But guess what? We got it. It's a plus.
They want to see a difference. That's how the strip one looks. That's how they are supposed to look.
That has some oil in it, so it's kind of hard to see, but that's it. So, time to get the oil pan off and move the oil pump machine, and we'll get her coming along even more. Motor should be here soon. More parts are revved up. It's coming. Alright, you guys, moment of truth. We just undid all the bolts. Time to take the oil pan off and see what's in there. So, yeah,
All this metal and stuff that's in it.
all that metal.
Oh.
It's alright. Pieces and parts falling down in it.
Yeah.
Get it.
All this metal. Holy crap.
Yeah, let
You
me.
did a good damage to this.
Go ahead and bring the camera up close. There's just shit all over the place, and there was actually
Let's take this off.
the rod bearing. It looked like that just fell. But yeah, I don't know if you guys can see that. That's nothing but metal in there.
Yeah, that's all metal. Well, actually,
And there's all
just a
metal
little
up
bit
in
right
there. threw some down in there. But seriously, look at that.
Giant pieces in there now.
And just shrapnel all over the place. It was actually cylinder number 3. I'll take out the piston here in a minute. We'll hurry up and do a time lapse and get the rest of this undone for you guys.
Oh, hey. Wow.
I don't know if you guys can see that well, but so that's what blew up. Engine failure. So now that everything else is done with the block, we can call it a day till the new motor shows.